song to improve English. As an English student, I believe that all of us want to make our English better. Some of us usually work grammar exercise or practice writing, reading textbooks, or join in some English conversation classes. All of those activities we did to make our English better, isn't it? Yeah. But sometimes all of those activities give stress to our mind and sometimes feel bored. So consequently, we engage to find out the enjoy way to learning English. Based on some article I read, I have found an article about using song to improve English. If we talk about song, of course we will think about music, and everyone around the world like music. We listen to music when we are feel happy, sad, stressed, or maybe when we fall in love. So, most of the people just listen to the music and enjoy it, and they let it go. But this time, I will tell you how to make your listening more useful, so the English song that you heard can give benefit to your English. Before I start with the instruction, I will remind you the things that we will do. The first one, of course, we will hear English song recording. It is the day that we are going to listen. And the second one, we also need English song music sheet, or we call it lyric. Okay, now I'd like to start to the instruction. Step 1 is pick up. You have to pick up the song. Pick the song that you like and you can mostly understand. Don't choose the song that stretch your ability too much. For the beginner, just start with simple and easy lyrics, and you can use the other one later. Step 2 is listen to the song. Listen to the English song can help you to improve your listening and vocabulary. Okay. If you can understand a lot at the first time, you should eventually get to understand everything, almost everything with continued listening. But if you cannot understand, just get the lyric. It's real helpful. So every day you are going to get vocabulary and idiomatic expression from your listening. Step 3 is sing along. Sing along with your favorite song. For the best result is sing out loud. You can learn the rhythm and the construction that used by native speaker in natural speech. But if you feel self-conscious, just sing a lot at home or at bedroom or when you're right alone on the road. Step 4 is keep listening and singing. Always keep listening and singing until you memorize that. So you will acquire the English language as the same way you acquire your mother tongue. Creation says that natural grammar learning more effective than dry exercise. Step 4 is conclusion, learning English is not about grammar exercise or textbook. There are so many enjoy and fun ways in learning English. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention.